What's up, everybody? This is Alex checking in. This video was actually taken, after all the footage you're about to see from when I first got it and everything. But it is just kind of an introduction, I guess. I'm new to this YouTube stuff, so I don't know to make one or not, or how to do all this stuff. But I've seen some other YouTubers, so I'm kind of trying to get an idea from them. I do want to lead towards the way of making YouTube or something fun as my career, man. Something I enjoy doing with cars. But sorry if I bore you out throughout the video, and sorry if the camera quality isn't the best. It was taken with my iPhone, and I am editing it through it with the free editing software that comes with the iPhone. So, but yeah, enough of that talking, and show you what y'all came to see. Woo! Yes, sir. It's a Nismo 350Z. Yeah, I guess if you know me, I don't know if you guys thought I was gonna get the Supra, the Mark IV Supra. I've been wanting that for years now, but I don't know, I just felt like the time wasn't right, and maybe soon I'll get one. Hopefully I'll blow up on YouTube or something and I can make it happen sooner. But for now, I'm gonna stick to something like this. I do have a few cars that I want to get throughout my life, and want to try and get those first before actually trying to get the Supra, because I know once I get the Supra I'll never want to sell it. So but yeah, this is one of them. Well, now it is. I was looking at 350s, but Nismo popped up and the deal was too good to pass up. So hope y'all enjoyed the video, and yeah, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys can watch these videos when they pop up. Alright, fam, we just got out here to see the car. It looks really good. Well, it's dirty, but it looks good. Nismo gang or what? Sheesh. Pretty excited, not gonna lie. Is that a Tomei dot? Just playing Fresh Kick, that's your line. No copyright over here. Nismo though. And she's officially mine, boys. We got 350Z Nismo in the fleet now. Let's get it. Had to bring it out to Costa Vida. It's a place that we used to eat freaking food at home. Down in Logan, Utah. Right now we're in Lubbock, Texas, and they have that here. So, be a sick pick. Well, we just left Costa Vida. Time to go home and get her home. Oh, wrong button. Let's go. Man, I'm in love with the Coco. Oh, I guess it can be Coco. Sheesh. Damn, bruh. I'm in love. She got a fat booty though. I'm gonna give it a little tap. Know what I'm saying? And we're home, you guys. She looks so good. Parked right next to Mama Lona. Still haven't gave her a name, but I know Mama Lona is really like a Chevy thing, but I might give her that Mama Lona. They look good together. So what is up, everybody? Nice morning. We got Pearl and Snips running around. Yeah, I moved the Z. Starting to do all that fun stuff, the paperwork, registering, and all that. So let's get on about the day. You know what I'm saying? It's second day into ownership. Got the plates. Sorry I didn't take y'all along with it, but we officially texting now. But ran into some issues. The window won't go up. Can't leave it out like that. But yep, gonna take the whole door panel off. Try and see if it's the motor or not, because it sounds like it is, but I guess we'll see right now. Stay tuned. Alright, so a little update. We took the door panel off. Now we're gonna take this metal sheet off because the motor's back here. And yeah, saw this thing where you can clean the motor and possibly works, because I guess these motors go out a lot on these damn 350Zs. So what is going on, everybody? This actually is the next day. Didn't really get to work on it yesterday just because I needed the motor, and finally got it in today around 4 p.m. but wasn't able to put it on because I got stuff going on. So we're just putting it on now. So this actually is the whole assembly. Includes the motor. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully we got everything on the right piece. Yes, sir. Sheesh. All right, I'll let you guys stay tuned next time. See how this goes. All right, so we got the window out. Now we're about to take this regulator out and bolt a new one in. Yes, sir. Got to pull this clip apart right here. All right, right there. Yeah, everything looking good so far. All right, guys, got everything going now. Well, we just need to test it real quick, make sure it's good. So we got, the plate bolted to the door, and then we got the regulator bolted to the plate, and then we got the window bolted to the regulator right here. These bolts were a little hard to get to while the door was off, but while the plate was off, and we were stuck down there at the beginning of the process, but everything should be good now. Let's try it out. There you go. Yes, sir. Even this new one sounds weak. Anyways, all good now. Time to put everything back together and call it a day. Got it all put together. Feels good to have the window up now, because last night we went without it. That's why we had this tarp over it. But anyways, got the glass now. Anyways, gonna hit the car wash right now, because I've been meaning to wash it like really bad, because I don't know if you guys seen how bad this is. It looks like it hasn't been washed for 2 freaking years. Gotta make sure it's a neutral, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it wasn't working with this one either. Yes, sir. Probably should have took this off first before starting it. I've been like anxious to get this thing washed, man. Like, you guys don't even know. Like, it's so dirty, like everywhere in this car is like so dirty. So about to get pulled up over here. You know, the thing about Texas, there ain't really no good car washes out here, at least in West Texas, in the area that I'm at. Like, I don't know, I'm used to like a good, nice little car wash place, but nope, not here. They don't give a fuck about us. It's whatever though, gotta deal with whatever they give me. Get ready to see this thing be clean. Look at this, man. Look at that. That's how it looked like before I got it. So don't even think it's about that damn drive that I did, which was 2 hours. Yeah, I gotta replace them wiper blades. Don't look at that. Yeah, they need a cleaning too. But alrighty, let's get to it. Oh, she's all cleaned up for the most part. Looks better than when we got here. Those wheels definitely need a detail, like a hardcore detail. I don't know if you can tell, but all that brake dust. Yep, pretty bad. But yeah, let's go get it washed up. I mean, dried up. It's kind of late. I'm tired. Been sleeping early. So, excuse my drowsiness. Well, finally, like 3 hours later, she's all cleaned up. It's not the best, but got most of the job done, so I'm happy with it. Inside was the biggest thing to clean out. I mean, it still needs a good carpet cleaning and seat cleaning. That needs to be carbon fiber. Yeah, and it still needs a good detail. I did the most of what I could with what I had, but maybe I'll take it to some professional to get it detailed. But for now, let's admire the whip. Shit.
Waiting for powering.
It's like a different type of vibe. The vibes, you know what I mean? But anyway, I don't know. If you're like a car person, I guess you can feel like you can relate. Like your car will be dirty as fuck, and then you'll get it cleaned up, and you know you'll feel good about it, and then just get a different feeling just driving your car, you know. But I'm so happy with this thing right now. Things to come to it, but all with time, no rush. Anyways, this will probably be it for this video. Just an introduction of, you know, getting this car and a couple of things that I went through already to get it registered, and that little problem I had with the window. It's all good now. So, yeah. See you on the next one. Peace.